what is the electronic configuration of element silver 47, knowing that krypton 36? Okay, as we see, the traces are given to us by noble gases notation. So we need to remember that noble gases, they start by helium, then neon, then argon, then krypton, right? We need to memorize these ones at least. And this one gets filled by 2 electrons, this one by 10, this one by 18, and this one by 36. And we remember that this one here, when we use it, that means period 1 finished. This one, that means period 2 finished. And here, period 3 finished. And here, when we use this one, that means period 4 what has been finished or completed. Good. Here now, they gave me the silver is 47. And they gave me the krypton 36. That means krypton now is the noble gas that is exactly before 47 of silver. Good. So that means now when we use krypton here, we're going to use krypton, and all of them, as you see, the traces used krypton. Thank you. So if they use krypton, that means the 4th period has been finished. The 4th period has been finished. Okay, when the 4th period has been finished, as mentioned here, okay, what comes after the 4th period? The 5th period. And the 5th period starts by 5s. So that means it's going to be now krypton. And krypton, that means 36 now electrons are used. What comes after krypton? That means krypton finished period 4, so that means we start by period 5, which is 5s. So that means 5s will take now 2 electrons. How many electrons are used now? 36 and 2, so that means 38 are used now. How many electrons are left? How many electrons are left now? Are 9 electrons. Are 9 electrons, as we remember, 5s, what comes after it in the order from left to right of the periodic table? What comes after 5s is 4d. And 4d can be filled by 10, but you didn't have now 10 electrons left. What is left is only 9 electrons. So that means now 9. So as you see now, this is the expected electronic configuration. Krypton is 36, and here is 2s will take 2 electrons, so that means 38, and plus 9 here is going to be 47 electrons. Good, thank you. But this is not the actual electronic configuration inside the silver. What will happen inside the silver? Okay, this here, the S now is full by 2 electrons, and D is not full. D is only 9 electrons where it needs 10 to be full. So in general, we can understand that elements, they are stable if they have full sub-level or subshells or half full. So this one D now is not full, is not half full. But here S is full because it has 2 electrons. What will happen now? S will give 1 electron to the D. This is unreal. What will happen then? So the krypton now will be 36, and the 5s now, the 5s will have only 1 electron, and the 4d will have what? 10 electrons. So what does that mean? That means now the S becomes half full. It can be full by 2 electrons. Now it is half full by 1 electron, and the D becomes full by 10 electrons. So full and half full. So when the sub-levels like S, D, F, they are full or half full, that means the elements will be more stable. So that means in this case, this is the actual, and we use now the actual electronic configuration, and this is what happens inside the atom of silver, but this one is what the expected. This one is the expected. So when we use electronic configuration, we deal with the actual that will happen. So that means we go now to see krypton 5s1 and 5d10. So that means which 4d10, we're going to use B as the right answer.